Hello, welcome to our friendly point of view of innovative technologies. Today in this video, I want to present you some of our assembling accessories used to connect unit sections together. If you need to connect sections externally, you can do this in three ways. The first machine connecting bracket is ACB 80x40. It consists of male and female parts that make a connection between pieces very precise. Thanks to this unique shape of the brackets, you get the perfect self-adjustment between two screwing sections. We produce these brackets black painted or with blasting finish, so you can choose. The next connecting bracket for a unit section is ACB 80x50. It consists of equal connecting parts, and as well as the previous one, you can choose the finishing. It can also be used as an internal bracket. And the third one is ACB PS1. The difference with the first two is that this one has internal teeth here and here, and it's perfect for matching the panel stop profiles that have the groove. On top of the bracket, you can use the special cover to hide the joint between panels. And if you want to join the machines internally, we can do it in two ways, which are precisely hidden inside, so nothing can be seen on the outside. First one, the angular version of aluminum connecting and centering bracket, called ACB C1. We supply it completely with screws. So this bracket should be placed in the corners. And the second one, which goes in the middle of the panels, is ACB M1. And don't forget that ACB 80x50 also can be used as an internal bracket. If you have a big machine, we recommend using both internal brackets. But in any case, based on the customer's machine, he decides which type of bracket to use, and we are always here to help you to choose the best solution for your machine. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss any new video. Leave your comments below, and I will see you next time with another product. Bye bye!